Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, let's start the video. Teaching plan, date, class 7th, subject English, duration 40 minutes, learning outcomes. The child is able to speak difficult words with correct pronunciation. The child is aware of values like honesty, truthfulness, punctuality, etc. and is able to write and speak a few sentences about them. Topic: Florence Nightingale. Teaching learning material: textbook, chalk, blackboard, duster. Material available on Diksha app. Teaching learning process: in the beginning of teaching, to know the previous knowledge of the students, the teacher will do common conversation with the students and ask some questions to the students, just like question 1: who treats sick people? Who takes care of sick people in the hospitals? Who is lady with the lamp? This will be a problematic question for the students. During the teaching, the teacher will tell the students that today we will read the chapter Florence Nightingale. The teacher will read the chapter with proper rhythm and correct pronunciation and will tell the Hindi meaning of the chapter also. The duration of teaching will be 25 minutes. Methods: conversation and explanation. The teacher will tell the students that Florence Nightingale was a very famous nurse because she did a lot to help sick people so that they get better. To serve the patients at night, she used to carry a lamp in her hand. This is how she got the name the lady with the lamp. In 1860, she started the Nightingale School for Nurses. She was the one who brought significant changes in the field of nursing. Then the teacher will ask the students to write meaning of difficult words from the blackboard. Now blackboard work. Word meaning: शीट्स, चादरें, प्रॉपरली, सही प्रकार से, वार ब्रोक आउट, लड़ाई छिड़ी, सीक्रेटली, चुपके से, कंफर्टेबल, आरामदेह, सुपरिटेंडेंट, अधीक्षक, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, संगठन. आफ्टर द टीचिंग, द टीचर will show them video on Diksha app related to the chapter. To check the taught content, the teacher will ask true-false statements from the chapter. The duration will be 5 minutes and the methods are observation and participation. Statements are: number 1, Florence was born in a poor family. Students will tell that this statement is true or false. Second one is, she wanted to become a doctor. She grew up in Italy. She was taught at home. Then home assignment: write a word for the citizens belonging to each country in column B. Column A: America, China, England, France, Germany, and India. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Thank you.